In this video, we're going to go over how to update the homeroom field, or what we would like to call the homeroom attribute, on a student record on the Modify Info screen. This video is to be used for training purposes only, that no real student or data will be displayed in this video, as we are on a sandbox server and any likeness to any real individual is purely coincidental. So on the Modify Info screen, we do have a free form field where you can identify a homeroom that you would like to use to maybe pull a report on students if you possibly don't have a homeroom class scheduled, or for other reasons. Some people use these as exports into third-party vendors to designate a homeroom class. So how can we update this? So one, you have the traditional manual update student by student. I could come in here to Mickey Mouse, and if Brenda Howell is who the homeroom teacher was last year, then I would want to remove that. And that's one thing that you have to remember, is this is not an automatic process for this homeroom to be updated unless you build some type of customization to do that. That's not what this video is going to talk about. So if you do end of year and roll over, whoever was in the homeroom for last year is going to be in the homeroom this year unless you take action upon this to update it. So I could come in here and say this is now going to be Royster Stacy, or however you would like to enter in that name and submit. So I could do this one by one, but nobody really has time to do that. So how could you update this in mass for maybe the entire class of students who need to have that homeroom be that user right there? Well, I can go back to the main screen. And I could go to the teacher schedule. So I'm going to come over here to staff, teacher schedules, and I'm going to pick a teacher. So I'm just going to go in, and I'm actually going to pick this teacher here. And let's just pretend that this right here, this U.S. government history, is our first block, and maybe this is what I want to be my homeroom class. So I have this enrollment number here of 25, so I'm going to click on this 25. And at the bottom of this, I can make this my current selection. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make these 25 students my current selection. With those students my current selection, I'm going to scroll down in the group functions, and I'm going to find what I already have selected here, which is this change student field values. We want to change the homeroom field. So if you know it, it is home_room. If you don't know what that field is, you can always use the field selector to come up here and start typing in home, and I will see that this is the home_room field. What value do I want to go into that field? So that is a free-form text field. So what would you like to put into that field? So if I want to put in that it is going to be Howell, Brenda, then I would hit submit, and it will tell me whatever the old homeroom was and what the new value is going to be. Now, if there's anybody who already has that homeroom value in there, it will not list in this list right here for you to preview and verify. So yes, I do want to make these changes to all 25 of these students, and I'm going to hit submit. And that has been completed. So that is how you can en masse update for one class at a time all of those students.